Introduction. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will provide a step-by-step configuration guide for setting up SAP FI Financial Accounting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this guide will help you navigate through the essential setup processes in SAP FI. What is SAP FI? SAP FI is a crucial module within the SAP ERP system designed to manage financial transactions and reporting. It integrates with various other modules, ensuring that financial data is accurate and accessible across the organization. Step-by-step configuration guide. Step 1. Access the implementation guide. To begin, access the implementation guide (IMG) for financial accounting. This is your central hub for all configuration tasks. 1. Navigate to Transaction Code SPRO. 2. Select SAP Reference IMG to open the configuration options. Step 2. Define Company Code. The company code is the organizational unit for which financial statements are created. Go to Financial Accounting, FE, Organization Structure, Define Company Code. Click on New Entries and fill in the necessary details such as company code, name, and address. Step 3. Set up Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts categorize all financial transactions. 1. Navigate to Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Master Data GL Accounts, Prepare Chart of Accounts. 2. Create a new Chart of Accounts by entering a unique identifier and description. Step 4. Configure Fiscal Year Variant. The Fiscal Year Variant defines the accounting periods for your organization. 1. Go to Financial Accounting, Global Settings, Fiscal Year Variant. 2. Create a new Fiscal Year Variant by specifying start and end dates along with the number of periods. Step 5. Manage Posting Periods. Posting periods control when transactions can be recorded in the system. 1. Navigate to Financial Accounting, Global Settings, Posting Periods. 2. Set up open and close periods for each accounting period based on your organization's needs. Step 6. Define Accounting Principles. Accounting principles ensure that your financial data aligns with regulatory requirements. Access Financial Accounting Global Settings, Ledgers Parallel Accounting. Assign accounting principles to each ledger group as needed. Step 7. Configure submodules. Now it's time to configure specific submodules within SAP FI. Accounts Payable, AP Setup Vendor Accounts and Payment Terms. Accounts Receivable, AR Create Customer Accounts and Define Credit Limits. Asset Accounting, Configure Asset Classes and Depreciation Methods. Step 8. Test your configuration. Before going live, it's essential to test your configurations. 1. Perform test transactions in each submodule. 2. Generate reports to ensure that data flows correctly between components. Conclusion. Setting up SAP FI requires careful planning and execution of various configuration steps. By following this guide, you can ensure that your financial accounting processes are well structured and compliant with organizational policies. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more SAP tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.